Choose a slot to use for this game. Getting Polly to say silly sentences is fun. Why not try the talking parrot game? Talking parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 silly sentences that Polly says. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything that she hears. Susie Sheep is a red chicken.
Susie Sheep is a red chicken.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a happy chicken.
Peppa Pig is a happy chicken.
Try another one. Mummy Pig is a funny frog.
Mummy Pig is a funny frog.
Try another one. Mummy Pig is a funny monkey.
Mummy Pig is a funny monkey.
Try another one. George is a blue monkey.
George is a blue monkey.
Try another one. George is a big monkey.
George is a big monkey.
Try another one. George is a big pig.
George is a big pig.
Try another one. Danny Dog is a big pumpkin.
Danny Dog is a big pumpkin.
Try another one. Keep going, you've almost won a sticker. Danny Dog is a silly yo-yo.
Danny Dog is a silly yo-yo.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a silly yo-yo.
Daddy Pig is a silly yo-yo.
Well done. You've won a sticker. Try another one. There are lots of fun games to play here. Feed Polly. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 20 correct crackers you feed Polly.
Polly wants 4 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 crackers.
Keep going, you've almost won a sticker.
Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 crackers.
Well done. You've won a sticker.
Polly wants more. Polly wants 3 red crackers.
Oops, Polly didn't get the crackers she wanted. Try again.
Polly wants a yellow cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 yellow crackers.
Oops, Polly didn't get the crackers she wanted. Try again.
Polly wants 3 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 red crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 yellow crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 red crackers.
Keep going. You've almost won a sticker. Well done. You've won a sticker.
Polly wants more. Polly wants a red cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 yellow crackers.